I just bought my first durian. I'm not gonna try it now. I'll try it later. We try it later together, yeah?
Try now.
No, because we can't take it back.
Oh, we want to try it now.
Well, where else are we going to try it?
Alright, so we're gonna try it right here.
We can't take it to the hotel.
No, you can't take.
Yeah, that's true.
You're not allowed to.
Okay, so we're gonna try this. We're gonna try this right now. We're gonna dig into this.
When we do, you can use the spoon. Normally we use the hand.
Yeah. So it's out of season.
Yes.
Right. So it's out of season, so that's why it's a bit more pricey.
Okay.
Just for a little piece, but hopefully it still tastes fresh.
Stinks.
It does stink, yeah.
He will not.
Right. Would it be more ripe on that side?
Yeah, more right. Yeah.
It's kind of like a chicken
Oh yeah,
breast.
that goes straight in there.
Look at this.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
That's gross.
It doesn't look.
That looks gross. Is that how it is?
It doesn't look very appealing.
Is it meant to be like that?
Yes.
It's meant to be like this, yes? Yeah.
Fucking
So
omelette.
at first sight, it doesn't look appealing. Is it focusing?
Yeah. Put it in your mouth.
Okay, so it doesn't look very appealing, but let's see. Oh, I'm scared now. Looks like some sort of egg thing.
Come on.
Okay. I like it. No, I don't. Oh, it's got a terrible aftertaste. Oh my god.
Give me some. Just give me a little bit.
Okay, pass that one.
This is crunchy.
Huh?
No, it tastes lovely. Yeah.
This one more like a rib, but you can still eat it.
Wait, should I take it from
No.
here?
Take the same that I took.
You can use this one, cooking. Inside cooking, make a curry.
Wait. Take more. Oh, you're not going to get the flavors. There you go. Yeah, that's it. Wait. Okay, what are your thoughts?
I don't know, it smells a bit like a mango.
Let's speak louder.
Said it smells like a mango.
Not gonna stick on her ears.
No, actually, it's not as bad as what you were making out. I don't know if I like it though. I'll have to try a little bit more. Just a lot of texture.
Nice.
I don't like the after flavor.
No, not too bad actually.
It's not too bad.
It's alright.
Would you eat the whole thing?
Nah, it's too rich. I can't eat it. Too creamy.
It's too creamy.
Syrup or something.
It's like durian butter, yeah?
Cream or something. It's like a fucking. It's kind of like a. I don't know. It's like a. It looks like a chicken breast, but then it kind of looks like an omelette. And then it's like a.
It smells like what?
I don't know. It smells like a dirty mango.
It's very nice.
Yeah, I don't want it.
You don't like it? Wait, did you get that? So?
I don't want it.
You don't like it?
It's okay, but yeah. It's not disgust, but it's not. It's just not really for me.
No. Alright, so. You like it though, don't you?
Lovely. Yum. It's very tasty. I love it. Look at me.
Is that the seed in the middle?
Mm-hmm.
It's interesting.
Oh wow, what's that?
The seed.
Oh wait.
Yeah.
It's got a seed in the middle.
Yeah. When you finish, we'll show you the
If
seed.
you ate it with something else, it would be alright.
The sticky rice.
Oh,
Normally they cook like a, you have mango, but they sort of mix together.
I think I might like it with sticky rice.
Still the strong smell though.
It might be okay. It might be okay with sticky rice. just on its own it's a bit much. But I think mixed with something good, it could be alright. It's just so sweet. I'll see what it's sweet.
You think it's sweet? I don't even think it's sweet.
It is sweet and
Very sweet.
if you eat a lot, you can get really sick.
Sick.
Oh really? Why would you do that to yourself?
This is not much. I mean, people eat a whole lot. You can get because this can have a lot of like heat in your body. That make your body hot inside. And then you can like something really delicious, and someone just can't stop eating it. And just keep going, and then that'll be too much.
Yeah.
And you get sick of it.
And you get
after
sick.
that.
Does it happen to you?
No, not me.
Well, that's good to know.
I'm gonna finish it all.
Yeah. I mean, nobody else wants it, so go ahead. Just don't get sick, okay?
This is the first durian for, so many years I haven't tasted of durian. This is the first time.
well, it's good that it didn't go to waste and somebody here appreciates it. Okay. Well,
Right.
wait. Okay, so that was our experience with
Durian.
trying durian for the first time. And in the background, yeah, yum, yum.
It was fucking dirt.
I think I passed people at food. Let me finish first.
Oh, another thing on durian is that we aren't allowed to bring it into our hotel for some reason.
Yes, that's not allowed
Because
to.
it stinks.
Yeah, because it will stink the whole room and the whole hotel. Even you can walk in, they can smell the whole hotel.
Oh wow.
That's why.
There's like a 5,000 baht fine for bringing durian into the hotel. All right.
Let me sit down, finish this, and we throw it away. Otherwise, it will stick. Here, go sit here.
All right. We're gonna go sit down. We're gonna. Oh, he's already gone.
Oh, you're gonna go. Oh, come here.